I will show you how to preserve fresh cranberries without freezing and without pasteurizing. I'll wash them first. I need clean and wash jars. My jars have a volume of 350 milliliters. I will fill the jars with cranberries. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Do not fill the jars to the top. I filled the jars and now I need boiled water. I pour boiling water into jars. I will cover the jars and let them rest for 20 minutes. I need a pan. I will pour the liquids into the pan. I will add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 for each jar. I will add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice for each jar. I put the pot on the stove and wait for the dressing to boil. I pour the boiled dressing into the jars while it is still hot. This is how I will fill the other jars as well. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I sterilize the lids in boiling water for 10 minutes. I close the jars with sterilized lids. I cover the jars with a blanket so that they cool down gradually. When the jars have cooled, put them in a dark and cool place until use. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thanks, friends.